You're killing me, Randall.
You were killing me?
Phil, you're killing me.
My calves are killing me.
You're killing me.
What do you want?
You're killing me, Petey! You're killing me!
What's wrong?
These damn G-strings are killing me.
You're killing me with that. It's not safe for you in here. That's a good point.
I'm not leaving.
Oh, you're killing me.
Okay, you were right, all right? I never should have bought them. They're killing me, one toe at a time.
200.
Man, you're killing me! I'm killing you, I can't breathe.
Fine, okay, you're right. My feet are killing me and I never should have tossed my shoes.
How much bouncing can your bed take?
You're killing me, Max.
You have to go now, when we finally have no traffic. You're killing me, Blobby.
How much?
200 tops.
You're killing me, Ma.
Rub a lotion on, comb my hair on. Dress up in her nighttime fineries.
You're killing me. You're killing me, man. When does the good fairy come in?
Never. It's a story without hope.
你小什么名字? Remember what that one is?
No.
Dre, you're killing me. Please. Please. Look at this.
You're killing me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.